Alright, so today I got a four corner unboxing again. I got this one over here. This one's cool. It's the same shape, so I just bought another one. This one's sick. Pack of tape. Some trucks. Some stickers. That's all of it. Nice. It's pretty cool they put it in the bag. I never really do that. At least not for the couple decks that I have. The graphics lined up quite a bit better with the edges this time. There's still something down there at the bottom, or at the top, up here. But it's better than this one. Like, if you look at it, like, the graphic was like short. Like, that's not worn, that's just how it came. And then over here it did the same thing, all along the sides, just not lined up right. But this one's quite a bit better. The shape's sick though. This one looks pretty awesome. So just set this up real quick. Watch your cat walk around. He's a beautiful kitty. He doesn't want to be up here. I guess this is